Hello, Raj. This is Frank. I called you this week on the week of April 17 to 19. One of these days I called you, and I promised to record a video for you on things that we can do to make ourselves more visible to people looking for window replacement or door replacement. So in the next couple of minutes, I want to go over three major components and things that you can implement right away to have more traffic through your asset, which is your beautiful website. Okay, so without further ado, why don't we look at some numbers first? Okay, so I got this website from Google. Okay, this is your top competitor, anyways, for Surrey, anyways. So I typed in Surrey, so Windows Surrey, and then this guy shows up over here. I'm not going to click on that because that seems more like a store. So I just want to reverse engineer and think about how can we get there, right? Because when somebody type in a keyword, especially door replacement, Windows repair, sorry, whatnot, 30 to 40% of the people click on one of these three, and you guys can beat Sunrise Windows because I know you have 20 somewhat uh, 5-star reviews. So with the right tweak, you can be up here and you can be seen right away. This I have successfully done time after time within 2 to 3 months window. Okay, nothing happens overnight with Google, so we just need to slowly build you guys up and get you up there. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to talk about, and one of the fastest and cheapest thing to implement would be citations. Citations are anything like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and 411.ca, all these business directories where you can submit your name, address, and phone number, your business information to, and you want to use the exactly same info to register, and then you will slowly climb. Of course, you want to do regular updates as well. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, let's look at the website itself. Okay, so how does Google know whom to place up here? It really depends on what you're telling Google your site is about. So if we type in here, we come in here and then we do an exercise where we do uh, Surrey Windows. Well, they don't even have it there. Windows Surrey. Well, it's right there. Surrey window. Okay, without the S. Sorry. Surrey window. Okay, that's on the top, right? So one of the first word that Google sees. And then if we wanted to duplicate something similar on your site, we don't see it. So this is the content part where we want to add a lot more words to your website and then add user intent keyword, meaning the keywords that people are searching for on your site. Then you'll be sending the right signal to Google, and there's a higher chance of getting you guys ranked. Okay, so that's number two. Number three would be backlinks. So backlinks are like votes. You know, people vote for you because they trust you, they want you to represent them, right? Google is the same. When your site gets vote, it means your site is worthy of people talking about, and there's something that people want. That's why they link to your site. Or they say, hey, check this guy out. He has something worth mentioning, and he knows what he's doing with windows or doors. Okay, so that's what we're talking about with domains. Domain meaning how many websites, and backlinks meaning how many backlinks are these domains giving to you. Okay. So with this very sub page alone, Windows.Canada, they have different location, I'm sure, but with just the Surrey sub page, they are getting 62 visitor throughout on a monthly basis. So just imagine that you can get the same amount, and um, that's 62 actually to your traffic. Let's say you can convert 40% of them to call you. That's almost 20 somewhat customers. And each customer buys a window or a door. How much is that worth to you? Like, you can do the math. Okay. So that's it for now. I don't want to bombard you with too much information, but basically let's review. We have the content that we want to beef up and include keywords that people are searching for. This is not the only one, of course, there are more. The second one is to do backlinks. And the third one is citations, which is, no, not that one. Where did it go? I replaced it. But anyways, this is another guy. This guy is doing ads, but they need the same thing. You see quality windows and patio door. That doesn't tell Google what city it's in. So usually what you can do is you can have location pages and then one for Surrey, one for Langley, etc. Right? Okay, so I'll leave it there. If you like what you hear, give me a shout, 778-316-2239. We can kind of elaborate further. I know this is a very bird's eye view, a quick run through on the things that you can do. But basically, if you follow this blueprint, your site will definitely gain more visibility. Okay, this is just basic data science. That's what Google wants sites to have, and they will feature you. Okay, that's all for now. Hope to hear from you. Take care. Bye bye.